guys. Okay, so I'm here with mail time, and this is a happy mail from Michelle over at Shell's Cards Colouring and Crafts, or Shell's CCC. And yeah, this is really exciting. She has launched a new sticker range and it's super cool. So I'm gonna just get into this. I love her washi tape. Michelle's like the washi tape queen. And oh, okay, so I ripped the envelope completely, but that's fine. Oh, what have we got here? So here we go. I love doing happy mail shares for Michelle. Okay, so we've got stickers. Oh, that'll be my ATC, which I'll get into. So here we have something poking out. So here we have a little card that says a little note from Shell. So we've got, hi Vicky, thank you so much for being my first ever sticker customer. I hope you love every single design. The freebies are to say thank you for being so awesome. Michelle. Yay! Awesome. I didn't realise I was the first customer for the stickers, but yay. So we've got, I love these food puns. You're great. I love that. And then we have storms always pass. Cool. And then you're terrific. Love it. I actually have I have this as a fridge magnet. These are available from Michelle already. I have this one as a fridge magnet already. I have this cup of tea one and I'm not sure what it says. I don't think it says you're terrific, but I do have that cup of tea as one. Or maybe it does. Maybe it is that as a fridge magnet. I'm not sure. But yeah, anyway. Awesome. Thank you for the freebies, Shell, as always. Okay, so before we get into that, let's get into this, because this is always super cool to tell you guys about. Wow, it's been so long since I've done this. So let's see. Before I do that, I am going to put my glasses on. And I'm going to have to pop you on pause because they're downstairs. Okay, back with glasses. And seeing as how I had to go past the living room to get to where my glasses were, the kitchen, living room. Seeing as I had to go past the kitchen to get to where my glasses were, I got my magnets off the fridge. So, yeah, just to show you guys. So, that was the sticker she sent. And that's the fridge magnet. Considerably bigger. But yeah. So that's the fridge magnet. And then the tea one that I couldn't remember, it wasn't a cup of tea. It was the teapot, which is kind of the same range. And it just says positivity. Love it. Again, fridge magnet. And then I just grabbed these two as well because I love these. So we've got positivity pants, or positive pants, and then no rain, no rainbows. I love this one because, what have I done with it now? Oh no, she doesn't have it on anymore. We're going to say this used to be her logo, but she actually doesn't use that one now. I can't remember. I'm sure it's still in her logo. She just doesn't use it on her Happy Mail stickers. But yeah, so those are the fridge magnets. And yeah, so now I have my glasses, I'll talk you through the loyalty scheme, because as I said, it's been a long time since I've done this for Michelle. Okay, so customer loyalty scheme. This bag contains a limited edition collectible card as a thank you for placing an order with me. This card is one of a set of 4. Each time you place an order with me during the current loyalty period, you will receive a different card from the set. If you collect the full set within the loyalty period, you will then receive a code for a 10% discount off all further orders, excluding postage, placed during that loyalty period. Once the current loyalty period ends, everything resets and a new set of cards will be released with a new theme. Enjoy your collecting. The current loyalty period runs from July to December 2021. This label the label printed on, and paper bag are recyclable. Please help the environment by recycling them if possible. Fantastic. Okay, now this says Barry, so it means I've got one of the cards with Barry on. She names all of her little characters that she creates. So let's see. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is her new card. Yeah, so she doesn't use the rainbow in her cards anymore. But that's all her details. I love this. These have all been made by Michelle herself. Little images created digitally by herself. I don't have it. I've actually got my logo cup, but this morning I had a brew in a cup that I have with all these little characters on, and because I was coming up here to film, I swapped over. I made a fresh brew in my logo cup. But yeah, Michelle has quite a lot of different things available with them. But that's all the details, but as always, they will be below in the description box. And here is my little ATC, Artist's Trading Card, of Barry. That's so cute. I love the background. I didn't know, I haven't seen this year's. So, collectible card by Shell's CCC, Kawaii Gang, Part 2, July to December. Cool. I believe I said that right. Okay, so that is the collector's card. And now let's get into the stickers. So, love these rainbow bags. These are cool. These stickers have been a collaboration sort of thing. Well, not a collaboration. They are Michelle's designs, but Michelle's had these stickers made by Jenny over at Genesis Crafts, and yeah, they're awesome. They are vinyl stickers, I believe. I am pretty sure. They feel like it. Pretty sure they are vinyl stickers. And yeah, so right now I think they're out of stock. But Michelle said when I messaged her yesterday, last night, she said that she's having a restock within the next couple of days. And so let me see a message. Yeah, should be restocking in the next few days with some new designs too. So there you go. There's going to be some new designs as well. Now at the moment in time, these stickers are on an introductory offer price, and they are £1 each. Not for a set, £1 each, so £1. Except for this one, because this is a big one. This one is £1.50, and they are only available from her Etsy shop. And as I said, this is an introductory price. Now they've been very popular, so as I just said, they're sold out already, but she will be restocking within the next few days. But yeah, so I asked her for one of everything that she had. So we have this one that says, "Be kind to your mind." I love it. It's so cool. I'm trying to get it, apart from showing it off, I'm trying to get it where the lighting's not catching it too much. But yeah, so that is super cool, is that. So we have that one. Then we have "Frequently anxious, always awesome." That's definitely me at the moment. Cool. Then we have "Anxious but fabulous." I love this, and you can see from the size of my hand roughly how big they are. Then we have "Today I am wearing my positive pants." I love that one. Then there we go. "Life happens, Prosecco helps." Mine would be Lambrusco, but I'm struggling to find it these days in shops. Okay, this one definitely. "Life happens, coffee helps." I love that one. Yep, okay. "Life happens, wine helps." I love all these ones. So then we have another one here. Oh yeah. Then we have Life Happens, Gin Helps. Love it. Okay, one for the tea lovers. Life Happens, Tea Helps. That's a pretty cool range. Then we have, alright, so that's kind of like one, well, not range as such, but that's kind of like one lot. These ones are all, I've done that one. Excuse me. Yeah. Then we have this one. I'm not a chronic illness sufferer, I'm a warrior. These have been very popular, I know that. So that's chronic illness. This is I'm not a chronic pain sufferer, I'm a warrior. I think these were actually requested from a few people when Michelle mentioned about making them. And then this one, I'm not an anxiety sufferer, I'm a warrior. I really like them. Then we have some more holographic sparkly ones. So we have a rainbow that says keep going. I love these. Metallic, that's the word I was looking for, not holographic. Love that one, nice and sparkly. And then we have You Are Enough. There we go. Then we have this one. This one has been very, very popular. Allow yourself time to recharge. I think this one, from what I can remember, I think this one sold out almost immediately. I love that one. And then we get to the big one, the last one, which is this nice metallic. I think this is like a holographic one. Okay, there's quite a lot to see on that one. It says, don't believe everything your brain thinks, you're perfect just as you are. And then all the things you shouldn't be thinking. But yeah, this is a big one. I mean, that's my hand. So compared to the others. So all of these are £1 each. This is £1.50. I love that. A little rainbow in there. But yeah, so fabulous little range there, Michelle. I really like it. And I can't wait to see what the new ones are going to be. What the new designs are all going to turn out to be. So I haven't actually been on Facebook that much. Michelle tends to post these or things like this before she launches them. She tends to give a bit of a sneak peek in her group, in her Facebook group. Yeah, but I haven't actually been online very much over the last few months. So I'm not completely up with everything that's been going on. So let's see, I'm just trying to arrange them all and then... that didn't do too bad. Okay, so let's just pop you up. There we go, there's the full range that I have. That's the one that's kind of current. But yeah, as I said, at the moment, she says it's the shop's empty, it's out of stock, but she is restocking within the next few days, and of course, like she said, there will be new designs available, so that's cool. So keep your eyes out for them, guys. They are all the links to Michelle's Etsy shop and everything are available below in the description box, so definitely go and check that out. And yeah, so thank you very much, Michelle, for my new ATC. I need to dig out all my other ones from over the years and put it with them. Yeah, and I'm going to leave it there, guys. I will love you and leave you. So yeah, definitely go and check these out, guys. As I said, links all in the description box. Please, please, please go check them out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thanks, Michelle, for your fabulous sticker range. And yeah, take care, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.